I have a question about electricity and Ohm's law. Let's say we have a 12-volt battery connected across a 3 ohm resistor. Now, based on Ohm's law, V equals IR, if you rearrange the equation, the current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So 12 divided by 3, this will give us a current of 4 amps. Now, let's say if we have the same circuit, but this time, let's double the voltage. We're going to use the same resistor, a 3 ohm resistor, but we're going to increase the voltage to 24. In this case, the current should double. 24 divided by 3 will give us a current of 8 amps. Now here's the question. What exactly is happening when we increase the current from 4 amps to 8 amps due to an increase of voltage? Does this mean that we have twice the number of electrons flowing at the same speed in the second circuit, or does it mean that we have the same number of electrons flowing at twice the speed? Which one is it? So just to rephrase that, do we have, when we increase the current by means of increasing the voltage, in this case 2x, do we have twice the number of electrons flowing at the same speed, or is it the same number of electrons flowing at twice the speed, or is it a combination of both? Feel free to put your answers in the comment section below, because I'm really curious about this. Now, we know how current is defined. Current is Q divided by T, where Q represents the quantity of charge and T is time in seconds. So there's two components to current: the quantity of electrons and also how fast those electrons are moving. Because when you put T in the bottom of a fraction, you're dealing with a rate. So the current represents the rate of charge flow. A current of 4 amps is basically 4 coulombs traveling per second. A current of 8 amps represents a charge of 8 coulombs flowing per second. Now, this increase from 4 to 8, it could be due to having more charge flowing at the same speed, so twice the number of electrons flowing at the same speed, or we could have the same number of electrons flowing at twice the speed, which means it could travel the same distance in half the time. Or it could be a combination of both. So that's the question here. When we double the current due to doubling the voltage, do we have the same number of electrons flowing at twice the speed, or do we have twice the number of electrons flowing at the same speed? Now let's add a third scenario. Let's say we keep the voltage at 12 volts, so at the original voltage, but this time we cut the resistance by half. 12 divided by 1.5, that's going to be 8. So we're doubling the current by reducing the resistance but keeping the voltage the same. Now, increasing the current this way by reducing the resistance. What's happening here? Do we have the same number of electrons flowing at twice the speed, or do we have twice the number of electrons flowing at the same speed, or is it a combination of both? So what exactly happens to the number of electrons flowing and how fast it flows when you increase the current by a factor of 2 due to an increase in voltage, and when you increase the current by a factor of 2 by decreasing resistance and keeping the voltage the same? So what's exactly happening in the fundamental level in this circuit? That's the question I have. So for those of you who want to answer this question, feel free to put your comments down below. And for the viewers who are looking at these comments, if you see a good comment that someone posts, feel free to like that comment so that future viewers can see it and benefit from those responses. So I'm really curious to see what you're going to post in the comment section below.